Hi, hello, my dear children. All of you, stay safe. Okay, and today we'll continue this chapter quadratic equations, and we are going to find the solutions of the given quadratic equations by using quadratic formula. Okay, and we are going to do the sums in exercise 4.3, sum number 1. And the question number 1 is 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we are going to, what we are supposed to find the roots of the following equations if they exist using quadratic formula. Okay, why the question is if they exist? See, what is a quadratic formula? The formula is what? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Isn't it? So, see here, the b squared minus 4ac, this algebraic term is inside the square root. So, when we are calculating this, the value of this, so you may get a positive value, or you may get a negative value, or you may get 0. Isn't it? It depends upon the value of A, B, C. A, B, C are literal coefficients, literal numbers, and they are variables. Okay, and so you can give different values according to the given equation, according to the coefficients of the x squared, x and constant term in the given equation. So when you are calculating this, you may get a positive value. So suppose you get a positive value that is greater than 0. That means, suppose you get this b squared minus 4ac is equal to 5. So what will you get? Root of b squared minus 4ac, it will be what? Root of 5. Okay, suppose you get, instead of 5, if you get 4, what will you get? You will get root of 4. That is equal to plus or minus 2 you can take. Isn't it? So, when you get a greater value greater than 0, in other words, when you get a positive value, what? The roots will be real numbers. Real means what? You will be getting a real number. Real number means what? It may be a rational number or irrational number. Okay. And suppose you get b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative value. That is, if b squared minus 4ac is equal to minus 2. So what will be root of b squared minus 4ac? It will be root of minus 2. So this type of number do not exist. You will be learning about this number in higher classes, not in 10th standard. So, we come to a conclusion, the roots are imaginary, that means the roots of the quadratic equation do not exist. Have you understood? So, here, if it is greater than 0, we will get real roots. Real roots means real numbers. And if it is less than 0, the roots do not exist. Okay, suppose you get b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots will be equal. Roots will be equal. These are the three conditions you should know. Okay, so sometimes you may get a question in 1 mark that the equation will be given. Check whether the roots of the given quadratic equation exist or not. So at that time, you have to calculate b squared minus 4ac. If it is positive, you write yes, they exist. If it is negative, you just write they do not exist. Is it clear, children? So you should know these three conditions. Okay. Now using this one here, we are going to write the answer for if they exist. Okay. So for that, you have to calculate b squared minus 4ac and check whether you have real roots or the roots do not exist. Okay. So the first step of this sum is, first step, you write the value of a. A is equal to what? The coefficient of x squared 2. B is equal to what? The coefficient of x is 7. And C is equal to 3. Is it clear? Now you write the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a, the whole divided by 2a. Okay, you should not write partially. The denominator 2a is for both. Okay, now I think it will be easy for you to calculate b squared minus 4ac separately and then you substitute in this. So you can avoid writing the root symbol in all the steps. Okay, when you are writing the root symbol in all the steps, there is a chance of missing any term or any signs. Thereby the answer you may go wrong. Okay, so first you calculate this b squared minus 4ac. Is what is b? 7. It's not 7, minus 7. Minus 7. Okay, so minus 7 the whole square. Minus of minus 7. Minus b, no. So minus of, sorry, we are just calculating this b squared minus 4ac. So this is minus 7 the whole square. B square minus 4 into a is what? 2 into c is what? 3. So b square is what? Minus 7 into minus 7, 49. Minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. What do you get? 25. It is greater than 0. So the roots, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation exist. So since they exist, you have to find the roots. Okay. Now, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b. Minus b is minus of minus 7. Plus or minus. What is b squared minus 4ac? Is 25. Root of 25. The whole divided by 2a. 2 into a is 2. Is it clear? So you calculated b squared minus 4ac. The name, special name for b squared minus 4ac is discriminant. Okay. So you have calculated this and we got as 25 and then you are just substituting the values in the formula. B is minus 7, so minus of minus 7 plus or minus. The value of b squared minus 4ac is 25. So we are writing inside the square root as 25. And so x is equal to minus of minus plus 7 plus or minus root of 25 is what, children? 5 into 5, 5. All of you know that. 5 by 2 2s are 4. So there are two conditions. One is what? X is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4. The other one is x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. So when x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, x is equal to what? 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. And when x is equal to 7 minus 5 is what? 2 by 4. Now you simplify 1 by 2. Okay. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So you write the answer. The roots, see, they are real numbers. 3 and 1 by 2 are real numbers. So the roots of the quadratic equation are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So to write and, because both values satisfy the equation. Is it clear, children? Now we'll move to the second sum. The second question is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Again, what is the first step? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 4. Second step, you have to write the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC the whole by 2A. Okay, now you find B square minus 4AC is equal to, B is what? 1 square minus 4 into A is what? 2 and C is what? Minus 4. That is equal to 1 square is 1, minus into minus, plus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. That is equal to 33, which is greater than 0. So what? The roots of the quadratic equation exist. Okay, so now you can proceed further. What you can find the roots? X is equal to minus B. So minus of B is what? 1. Minus 1 plus or minus root of 33 by 2A, 2 into 2. So X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 33 by 4. Okay, we cannot find the square root of 33, we can write as it is. Okay, because the roots are real numbers. So irrational numbers are also can be the solutions of a quadratic equation. Okay, so X is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and X is equal to minus 1 minus root of 33 by 4. So answer, what are the roots? X is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and x is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus root 33 by 4, or the roots of the quadratic equation. Is it clear, children? So first write the values of the coefficients, that is x squared, x and the constant term, that is a, b, c, and then write the formula, find the value of b squared minus 4ac, write the answer for the question if they exist, then you calculate the roots. Okay, now sum number 3. Sum number 3 is 4x squared plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, what is the value of a? A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 4 root 3. C is equal to 3. So the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So you have to find b squared minus 4ac is equal to, b is 4 root 33. Root 3. 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is 3. So 4 root 3 into 4 root 3 is 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. What do you get? B squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, if it is greater than 0 or equal to 0, the roots of the quadratic equation exist. Isn't it? So, the roots of the quadratic equation exist. Okay, now let us find the roots. How to find the roots? X is equal to minus b. B is 4 root 3. So minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root of 0 by 2a. 2 into 4. So x is equal to minus 4 root 3. Root of 0 is 0 by 2 into 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So minus root 3 by 2. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So the answer, x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, or the equal roots of the quadratic equation. Is it clear, children? So have you understood, when you get 0, we are getting equal roots. Isn't it? Now we'll move to the last question. That is the question number 4. square 2x square plus x plus 4 equals 0. Again the step 1, a is equal to 2. B is equal to, what's the coefficient of x? 1. And C is equal to 4. Okay. Now write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Now you find b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square is what? 1 square minus 4 into a is what? 2 and c is what? 4. So 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. So what do you get? Minus 31. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative. So if it is less than 0, the roots of the quadratic equation do not exist. Is it clear, children? Now you solve it. Substitute also, what do you get? X is equal to minus b, that is minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 31 by 2a, 2 into 2. That is x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 31 by 4. Okay, you cannot say these are the roots because this negative numbers do not exist. Okay, so this is the answer. Roots of the quadratic equation do not exist. Okay, the answer is what? The roots are not real. Therefore, they are not real numbers. Therefore, they do not exist. Have you understood, children? Here we are getting minus plus or minus root of minus 31 because the value of b square minus 4ac is minus 31. So they are not real numbers. We cannot say it is irrational number. Therefore, you write the answer, the roots are not real. Therefore, they do not exist. Is it clear, children? So, I think you might have understood how to calculate the roots or solutions of a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula method. Okay? And the three conditions you keep in mind. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is positive, the roots will be real. Okay? And the roots exist. And if it is equal to 0, the roots will be equal and they exist. And if the value of b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, if you get a negative value, the roots are not real. Okay? So they do not exist. These are the three main conditions. Okay? So from this you may get a 1 mark question or 3 mark question. It depends upon that. So these are the three conditions. This is really how to use the formula. I think you might have understood this. Okay. Thank you, children. Take care of your health. God bless you all.